Good day, everyone. Today, I will tell you about the story of Cinderella. Cinderella, once upon a time, there was a kind girl named Cinderella. She now lived with her stepmother and made her their slave. One day, the two stepsisters went to a ball and left Cinderella all alone at home. Suddenly, a fairy appeared with a pumpkin coach to take Cinderella to the ball. The fairy gives Cinderella a beautiful blue dress and a pair of glass shoes. Then the fairy warned her, "Be home before midnight." At the ball, Cinderella and the prince danced happily. At 12 midnight, she rushed out and left behind her shoe. The prince took the shoe and looked for Cinderella. After the Grand Duke found out that Cinderella was the owner of the glass shoe, the prince married her and they live happily ever after. The end. The moral of my story is always be kind to others and they will be kind to you. Thank you.